guys, welcome back to my channel, and now you are watching a 4-star hotel. In this video, we provide a detailed explanation of everything you need to know about this resort, like amenities, room category, location, landmark facilities, and reviews also. As you can see on the screen, the hotel location, nearby attractions and landmarks are also provided here. The 10,000 of reviews of this hotel you can go to Advika.com. Review rating is 9.3, which is the exceptional category 1. See on the screen room details like view, size, bed type, room highlight, facilities, amenities, and images, etc. Category 2. Category 5. Category 6. Category 7. Category 8. Agoda.com. You can book online and enjoy it. The location of the hotel is outstanding and guests to fully enjoy the beautiful surroundings. Check-in time in this hotel is 2 p.m. Time of this property is 12 p.m. There are many deals and offers available online for this hotel, along with different meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book, you can use the link provided in the description below. If you have any trouble booking a room in this hotel, then you can drop a comment and we will help you. Booking a hotel details for this resort, please read the description box. If you have checked out from this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new to this channel or not subscribed yet, then subscribe to our channel right now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any video of our upcoming hotel. Thank you for watching the entire video.